Okay, today we will discuss two problems in an arrays in a playlist of medium problems. Okay, today we will discuss longest consecutive sequence. This is a lead code number 128 problem. Okay, next problem is set matrix zeros. This is a lead code number 70th problem. After seeing this video, you can solve these two both problems. Okay, let's start with our video. For the first problem is longest consecutive sequence. Okay, let's start. Okay, we'll take an array called 10 comma 5 comma 0 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, the longest consecutive sequence is 0 1 2 3 4 5. I think now you understand after seeing this input and output what is the longest consecutive sequence means. We'll take one more array like 10 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. The first consecutive sequence is 2 3 4. The count is 3. Okay, next consecutive sequence you can see 7 8 9 10. The consecutive sequence is 4. So we will consider this. So why we said longest consecutive sequence, so we will prefer this. Okay, I will do tracing for this and I will explain this code. You try for this tracing. Okay, now so you can understand clearly. Okay, first we take in an hash set integer new hash set, and first we will check the base condition, like some base condition, like if array dot length equal to 0 means if the array is empty, so we did not have any array, so it will return 0. Okay, yeah, next it will add, this enhanced for loop will add all elements to set. Okay, after adding all elements into the set, okay, the next step is for int x is to set 10 comma 5 comma 0 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, then we want to check if set dot contains not, if not set dot contains of x minus 1 means x equal to 10, 10 minus 1 9. So in the set 9 was not there. Why we are checking this condition means if it is like how can we say, uh, if set dot contains below that number means, if set dot contains 9 means after 9 we have 10 now. Okay, okay, while seeing this tracing you can understand clearly. Okay, yeah, first x equal to 10, we will check for not set dot contains of x minus 1 means 10 minus 1 9. Set dot contains of 9. Yeah, in this set there is no 9, so we will go to int y equal to x means 10, into y equal to 10, and next int count equal to 1. Okay, next we want to check in the condition in the while set dot contains of y plus 1, y is 10, 10 plus 1 11. The set did not contain 11, so the while loop will not execute, and we taken the longest to check the math dot max of count. Okay, so the math dot max of count is 1. You can see it was not updated here. Okay, because it while loop was not executed. The next longest value is 1, 1 comma 1, so longest will be remain same 1. Okay, yeah, let's move to the step 4. Okay, set dot contains of x minus 1 means x equal to 5, 5 minus 1 4, it 4 in this array. Yeah, 4 contains in that array, so in that set. Okay, so it will not execute because we have 4, so the array is not starting from 5 now, so we did not want to count like that. Okay, okay, we'll see for the step 5 you can understand clearly. Okay, if set dot contains of x minus 1, x, now the x value is 0 means we checked for I equal to for 0 and 1, 1 is for 5, and second index is 0, x equal 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. In this set there is no negative number. Okay, so into y equal to x, x is 0. Okay, so next int count equal to 1. Yeah, next the while loop checks set dot contains of y plus 1, y equal to 0, y plus 1 means 0 plus 1 means, okay, y plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1, set dot contains of 1. Yeah, in the set there is 1. Here you can see in third index. Okay, yeah. So y would be plus y plus equal, we want to make y plus equal to 1, means the y value would be 1 now, and the count equal to 2, because later the count is 1. Here you can see the count is 1. We are doing count plus plus. Okay, yeah. Next, count plus plus, so y equal to 1 and count equal to 2. Okay, next we want to check again the condition while set dot contains of y plus 1, y plus 1, y equal to 1 plus 1, 2, set dot contains of 2. Yeah, here you can see, yeah, the set contains 2. So again this while loop execute. Now y plus equal to 1, now y equal to 2, count equal to 3. Okay, next again we want to check for y plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, set dot contains of 3, true. So y equal, we want to make y plus equal to 1 before y is 2, so now y equal to 3, count value equal to 4. Okay, again we want to check the condition while y plus 1, okay, y plus 1, y equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, set dot contains of 4. Yeah, true. So again y we want to make plus 1, later y is 3, so now y equal to 4. Okay, count equal to 5. Again we want to check the condition y plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 means 5. Okay, again we want to check, okay, 4 plus 1, 5, the set dot contains of 5. Yeah, the set contains 5. Okay, y equal to 5, count equal to 6. Again we want to check for y equal to 5 plus 1, the set dot contains of 5 plus 1. Okay, yeah, 6, the set did not contain 6, so the while loop will end here and it will make longest equal to math dot max of the count is 6 comma longest is 1, so the maximum value is 6, so it will print 6. Now you understand why here we check x minus 1 condition, not if not. Okay, again once see the tracing you can understand clearly. Trace for this input so you can understand clearly. Okay, this is the code. Okay, we are adding elements to the set and we are performing the set dot contains of x minus 1 means into y equal to x. Okay, first we are adding all these elements, we are counting. Okay, let's, okay, after seeing this video you can solve this problem, the LeetCode number 178. Okay, once see the tracing and once see the code, we will move to the next program. Yeah, we'll move to the next program. The next program is set matrix 0, means the input is 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 0 comma, wait a second, here it is, the input is 1 comma 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. We want to make set matrix 0 like LeetCode condition problem. Okay, means in which row, means 0 is here, we want to make this row as zeros and this column as zeros. Okay, you can see here the output, we are making 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, don't change again here 0 here 0 0 0, not like that, just for this condition 0 0 and 0 0, that's it. Okay, in that row make all set as 0 and this row, this column set as all as zeros. Okay, same like that we will take another matrix like here, we want to make here all zeros and here all zeros. Okay, next for this, here you want to make all zeros here and you want to make all zeros here. After making this, this is the output. Okay, here 101 000 101 output, here it is this one. Okay, okay, did you understand the input and output? Yeah, let's start the problem. Like int m equal to 3, n equal to 3. Okay, next we are making boolean row equal new boolean of m. Default boolean values would be false. So in this array it will store all false values. Okay, next we are making same as for columns also, it will also store for all false only. Okay, next we are checking for loop, we are running for loop, and for int I equal to 0. Okay, see this for loop, we will trace this for loop, you can understand clearly. Like I equal to 0, j equal to 0, first condition. Matrix of 0 equal to 0. What is of matrix of 0? Here you can see 0 of 0, 1. 1 equal to 0, false. Okay, next j equal to 1, matrix of 0 1 equal to 0, 1 equal to 0, false. And this condition also false. Okay, next step, I want to go to next. Yeah, yeah, next step, we are making I equal to 1 and j equal to 0. Okay, I equal to 1, j equal to 0. Yeah, matrix of 1, matrix of 0, what it is. Yeah, here you can see matrix of 1, matrix of 0, it is 1. Okay, so 1 equal to 0, false. I equal to 1, j equal to 1, matrix of 1 is to 1 equal to 0. Yeah, here you can see matrix of 1 1 0, the only 0 it is. Yeah, so 0 equal to 0. So now the if loop execute, it will make row of I equal to true, column of j equal to true. Okay, means row of 1 equal to true, column of 1 equal to true. Before it was all false, now the first row would be boolean of, it will be false true false. Okay, and this will be also false true false. Okay, yeah, we are running this loop and check for I equal to 1, matrix of 1 2 equal to 0, false. And this condition also all false because there is no 0 in this row also, you can see here. Okay, yeah, this is trace, this is also all false. So this for loop execution was completed. Okay, we will move to this for loop. Okay, here we will make that as zeros. Okay, how we will see how it will make. Yeah, after seeing this you can easily understand, but yeah, first condition, for I equal to 0, j equal to 0. If rows of I, columns of j, means we are checking boolean condition. Here you can see rows of I means rows of 0, rows of 0, here you can see false, calls of 0, here you can see false. So not, both the values are false, nothing, no, either one value also not true. So this condition will not execute, this if condition will not execute, in this it will not make 0. Okay, next I equal to 0, j equal to 1, rows of 0, rows of 0 you can see false, calls of 1, calls of 1, here you can see true. So one condition is true, it's enough for or condition. Okay, so we will make matrix of ij, matrix of ij, I equal to 0, j equal to 1. So in this position we will make it as 0. Here you can see 0 1, we make it as 0. Okay, next condition, I equal to 0, j equal to 2, rows of I, rows of f, sorry, rows of 0, rows of 0 is false, 0th index. Okay, in calls second index, last index means false, so it will not execute. Next step 7 means here after this j loop execution completed, again it will go to the for loop I plus plus, I equal to 1 now and j equal to 0, rows of I or calls of j, rows of 1, rows of 1 you can see true, if either one condition is true it's enough. So we will make matrix of ij equal to 0, means matrix of 1 and 0, matrix of 1 0 equal to 0. So here you can see in 1 0 we make it as 0. Okay, next, yeah, yeah, okay, next I equal to 1, j equal to 1, means row of 1 or calls of 1, rows of 1, here you can see true, and calls of 1 also true. Okay, so we will make it as matrix of 1 1 equal to 0. Okay, here you can see this is the 0. Okay, yeah, in 1 1 we make as 0. And next, I equal to 1, j equal to 2, rows of 1 it be true. So this will be, this if condition will execute. So matrix of 1 and 2 equal to 0. We are making matrix of 1 2 as 0. Okay, the next step, the last step. So this inner loop condition was over. So again, I plus plus I equal to 2, j equal to 0, rows of 2 or calls of 0. Rows of 2, here you can see false. Calls of 0, here you can see false. So this condition will not execute. Again, I equal to 2, j equal to 1, rows of 2, here you can see false. Calls of 1, it is true. Okay, so we will make it the if condition will execute. So matrix of 2 1 would be 0. So 2 1 would be 0. Okay, next, I equal to 2, j equal to 2, rows of 2, calls of 2, both are false, here you can see. So that's over. So the final matrix would be 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, once we will run the code, you can see the output. Yeah, here you can see 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, if you not understand this tracing, once see the tracing again, you can understand clearly. After watching this tracing, you can understand this logic and perform for this example. You can understand clearly. Later on you can code this easily. Okay, nothing we are doing in this. We are making the, if we found 0, we are making rows of I and calls of j as true, and if any condition is true, we are making in that index 0. That's it. Okay, and we are printing using enhanced for loop. You can solve this problem in LeetCode number 73. Okay, that's it for today. Okay.